Conley's Carpet Cleaning Plus coming back to you again, and here we have it, the dreaded red stain. Obviously what we do first is we try to rinse that out, just, regular water. That way anything that the customer's tried, which in some cases can set that stain in permanently, by the way, so don't try anything crazy. But we go ahead and rinse it out to get any of the other crap out of it that they've tried, whatever they've been looking at on Pinterest or what have you. Then we're going to apply a little special formula to it. Okay, we've got our iron right here, hot. We've got a white little towel that's damp. Something you don't care to ruin, obviously. And we're gonna set that on there, and then I'm gonna watch the ticker. I started that at about 1 minute, so we'll go ahead and check it in about 10 more seconds, and see if it's starting to release. Alright, let's look at that. Aha, now you can tell that it's a lot lighter so far. So we're going to stick it back on there, wait another 20 seconds or so. And see what's happened. By the way, guys, we do stain removal, carpet cleaning, we do air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, all kinds of services that we offer. We offer that in Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Norfolk, Suffolk, and Portsmouth, Virginia at this time. So let's check that again. See if we've gotten just about gone there. So it's still hot, meaning the chemical is still active on it. So I'm going to let that sit for another couple seconds. Maybe put just a little bit more stuff on it. Move that around a little bit, and then we will, what we're doing, see, we put that over and we're pouring that up into a towel is what we're doing. Real quick, let that go a little bit more. And that iron's good and hot. You want to make sure that towel's wet, guys. You don't want to put that down on a dry towel and, possibly start a fire. And you definitely don't want to leave it sitting too long. There you have it. It's all gone. So then we're going to take our carpet cleaning wand, rinse the remainder of that chemical out. Okay, you can see we have another one to try right beside it. And good as new. Thanks for tuning in. Give us a call, 464-1741. Thanks.